Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is belief. Believe in yourself, believe in your power, believe in your magic, believe in your being, believe that your destination is going to be exactly what you planned it out to be. We are not worried. We cannot be worried on how the results happen. We just have to be worried and concerned with putting the effort into putting in the work that is needed to be able to maintain and get to those destinations. I believe in myself and the beauty of life and the goodness of God, because Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ is so good to you. It only wants the best for you. Make sure you believe and continue to move forward so you can receive those blessings. Thus, I have the power to fulfill my dreams. The will of the Almighty supports me. How can you lose when the Almighty supports you, is on your side? My life is showered in the divine light. My heart opens up to the power of the universe. And then you have breakthrough. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.